Welcome to Excelberry. In this video I will show you the AI DALL-E, and it's from OpenAI, which also gave out ChatGPT, and it is amazing. So what it does is that you write in easy natural language and it will provide for you images of what you wrote. So for example, these pictures here are generated by this AI, and like I said, it's from the OpenAI company based in the US, which now Microsoft invested quite a lot of money into. So this is probably the AI software for images that we will see in the future, and you can generate quite a lot for free, and then you can buy more credits to generate more images. In this video I will show you what it is and best practice to use it. So let's dive in. So first of all, the webpage is labs.openai.com. You create an account or use the existing one that you have to ChatGPT. And like I said, DALL-E is owned by OpenAI that also owns ChatGPT. And these pictures here are also created by this AI. So it's a strawberry and a blueberry. But the pricing is that each time you make a prompt, a request for images, you will get 4 examples. So 1 credit is 4 examples of pictures, and you have 50 credits. That means you will have 200 pictures, and each month from the day that you started your account, you will replenish 15 credits. So that means that you can have 15 times 4 images generated each month. And if you want to have even more, right now their pricing is $15 for 115 credits. So that is their pricing. And let's talk a little bit about copyrights. So this is OpenAI's own word. So you own the image created with DALL-E, including the right to reprint, sell, and merchandise. And this will definitely be up for discussion, I believe, because for example, the AI generated this picture, and I believe that if I use it, Coca-Cola would probably sue me. So what you need is to credit DALL-E, the AI, with the watermark that's in the left right corner. So here you will see the watermark, and you need to keep this to give credit to DALL-E, which was the painter for these images. So the prompt, the request for the picture, be as specific as you can, and also take inspiration from the pictures that you like. So now we will enter DALL-E, and I will show you what I mean by this. So here it is. So we have labs.openai.com, and I am now logged into my account. Here in the top right corner you have your initials, and you can see that I right now have 6 credits left. So I started with 50 and now I only have 6 left, and I can buy more. And here you have examples of different pictures and what the prompt was. So what they wrote to generate the picture. So for example, this fish here was a 3D render of cute tropical fish in an aquarium on a dark blue background with digital art. And the pictures that you could see in the Excel file was inspired by this picture here. So I looked what the instructions were for this picture, and then I changed the wording. So when I wrote it, I wrote an expressive oil painting of a Coca-Cola depicted as an explosion of a nebula. And then I pressed on generate. I'll wait a couple of seconds, and then the images will be generated. So here we have 4 different pictures, and as you can see, it's not one of the pictures that they provided me last time, so it changes all the time. And another helpful trick for you is that if you hold your mouse over a picture and press on these 3 dots here, you can generate variations. That means that you liked that picture and you want to generate more examples that's very similar to just that picture. And here also you can download your image. And here to the right you have your recent generated images. You also have them here in the history in the beginning. So you can always get back to the pictures that you generated with DALL-E. And that is pretty much all I wanted to show you in this video. This could be extremely powerful. For example, if you do a PowerPoint presentation and you want a specific image, you try to Google, it's not there, you could easily customize the picture to your need. So have fun creating your image, and good luck, and ask your questions down below. And subscribe to the account if you haven't already to learn more about Excel and AI. Like the video if you learned something, and go my Excel course on excelbear.com. Thank you.